Okay, let's convert an appointment both in Leap and then schedule it in Zoom. So I've got my 9 a.m. here with Chloe, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to select Change. Now when I go into the appointment settings here, I'm going to very quickly make sure that this is set, the visit type is set as an incident response video visit. So we'll take the 10-minute because our previously scheduled appointment is a 10-minute long appointment, so we want to make sure that those match. And then we'll grab a provider and schedule this patient with a provider. Now here in the notes field, it's important that you put Zoom first off here. That's going to let the physician know that this is a Zoom video visit. And then I'm going to go into Zoom and I'm going to schedule it in Zoom. I want to use here, for the title of the visit of the appointment itself, I want to use the patient's initials. So we have Chloe Test, so I'm going to do CT, and then I'm going to put in the time of the appointment. So this is Chloe Test's 9 o'clock appointment. And then in the description field, you can add, if you'd like, some additional information based on that patient's visit. Now I want to make sure that my when field, my appointment time, matches in both Zoom and Leap. So I'm going to say this meeting is going to be at 9 a.m. The duration, because I can't do 10 minutes, I can only do 15. I'll just do 15 minutes here. That's fine. And then I'll scroll down and not schedule this for myself, but schedule it for the physician. Now this is going to generate a meeting ID automatically, and I want to do that. I want to unselect the password option, and I want to make sure that the video and audio are both available for both the host and the participant. Now, in this other options section here, I want to enable a waiting room. This will allow the physician to admit the patient into the encounter from a waiting room. And then when I'm done, I'll click Save. Now, I'm going to get a 9-digit meeting ID. I want to copy this ID, and then I want to go back into Leap, and I want to paste it in my appointment notes. So this will both allow me to communicate that 9-digit ID to our patients, and it will help the physician align both the scheduled Leap appointment and the scheduled Zoom meeting. I'll work through all of the different warnings that I'm getting when I go to make this change, and then confirm it, and the appointment has been changed. Now, as always, if you have questions about how to do this or anything else, email the training department at trainingdepartment@llu.edu.